It's important to note that such partnership between the government of Kenya through NMS and the government of United States through USAID takes us a step forward in achieving the highest attainable standard of health to Kenyans. And this is very important as it is stipulated in Article 43 of the Constitution. It is also takes us a step forward in achieving the presidential vision of UHC, Universal Healthcare, which is very important, especially in our society where 70% of medical care is out of pocket. So this is a good thing, a partnership, and will really facilitate us as we move towards achieving the rolling out of UHC.
USAID have been giving or donating these ventilators nationally, and it is only on Friday that they committed the date for Nairobi. And I really appreciate your continued responsiveness, especially related to the Directorate of Health. I know you have a lot of work. You build rooms even at night. Garbage is being corrected at all times. But we appreciate that you still recognize the role of the health sector within NMS.